this is Reed here, and I have this super cool box. Now you're probably thinking, what is this box? Well, it's a CLX computer box that contains a custom-built RAW computer. And today, we're gonna unbox it. It's unboxing time. Alright, so now we get to open. Alright, so right now, this is a weird opening mechanism. So, alright, now we get to look inside. There's literally no room, it's just, there's no space. This is just the PC. No, that's not a PC, that's a box. We're gonna have an awesome time opening this. Now that we've got this out of the box, it's time to take the plastic off. Let's see how satisfying this is. That's so satisfying. I like that. So let's take a look at what we've got here. It's pretty cool. I like this. It's got so much USB. So far, I really like the design, and I love how many USB ports are. You can never have enough. Plus, there's a lot of other things over here which I don't even know how to do, so thanks for that, I guess. So far, so good. I really like it. Alright, so we just got off the phone with CLX. They helped us set up the GPU, the 3090 Ti. And what happened is that they told us what to put inside, made sure that everything was right, and mainly it was my dad doing the work. Shout out to you, Dad. And now what I'm gonna do is that we're gonna turn on the computer and see what it looks like. So what happens is that I go over here and turn on the power supply. And now, what I'm gonna do is that we're gonna turn it on in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. That's the best thing I've ever owned. Oh my gosh. I haven't even seen it on yet. I'm just mesmerized. Now, what I need to do is that I need to turn it off right now so I don't get hypnotized. Oh boy, here comes the fan. It's starting to rev up now. I've never had a computer tower by myself, so this is a step up from this laptop over here. So thank you CLX for helping my family make this and build this together. So now what we gotta do is we gotta basically put it up on the computer and make sure that it works. So next time I use my computer, it's gonna be this one instead of the old one. All this, the rest of the stuff that I haven't mentioned in the description that I got for this computer. Alright, so big thanks to CLX for building this computer for me, and I really want to say thank you from my heart. And for now, I'm out of time, so I hope you like and subscribe. It's completely free. And hey, maybe you want to hit that little ding ding bell. Alright, so that's all the time I have tonight. So goodbye guys, and I'll see you next time.